So more and more my views on like celebrities is changing, and like none of us really know what's going on up there in celebrity world, but except the celebrities. But like I used to think like, oh, they're all in on it, they're all a bunch of pedophiles and pizza eaters and whatever. Like when Epstein Island came out and stuff, when Epstein Island dropped, the Epstein Island psyop slash like I think it's like it's real but it's not at the same time. Epstein Island, like all the shit on the mainstream media is like it's like fake shit mixed with true shit. But like I used to be like, oh, they're all a bunch of like all the celebrities a bunch of pedophiles, but like I don't know anymore. Like my views are always changing. Like I don't know if Johnny Carson is a pedophile, but I think he is though. But like people talk about like Kanye West and how like he's like a targeted individual. Like I don't know. I think most of the really famous ones are the Epstein Islanders and shit. But like I also think like the new Kanye might be like I don't know if they do cloning, but they definitely do like they'll switch out characters, like they'll switch like Gucci Mane. If you ever look at that when he goes into jail, comes out of jail, and he looks different, and he's got his tattoos are a different size and shape. They're like in a different place on his body, and they're a different shape. They're not the same tattoo. They're like moved. Like how does a tattoo move? That doesn't happen when you work out. Like that doesn't happen, you know what I mean? Just because he has more muscle doesn't mean that the tattoo is gonna move and change size and shape. Like it'll stretch out or whatever, but you know what I mean. So like Gucci Mane isn't the same person. He's replaced with somebody or whatever, and like maybe the original Gucci Mane was a real person. Maybe he was an actor too, and he switched characters or something. I don't know. But like, if Kanye is a real person, like they might have replaced him with a fake person or a clone or whatever the fuck. And then they're just playing with like all the woke people. They're playing with like your mind, making you think that Kanye is like a real person, but he's actually replaced. And they're making him look like a targeted individual, but like he is, but like he's dead now or whatever. You know, like I don't know what's going on. Is Kanye a real person? Or, like I don't know. But I think some of the celebrities are real people, and like it's hard to tell. Like it's hard to tell what's actually going on. And then like Britney Spears, like all videos of Britney Spears where she, you know, people say that she's like under MK Ultra mind control. And like, I don't doubt that Britney Spears went through some shit because she was like sexualized as a 16-year-old by the music industry. She's like a sex symbol. And like, so I don't doubt that she went through some shit and then she was under MK Ultra mind control or whatever. But like, who knows if it's the real Britney Spears? Like on these newer videos, who knows if it's the real Britney Spears? Like if she was replaced, or if, you know, if it's like an actor putting on a show. Like, it's like we're under the MK Ultra mind control because we believe the videos or whatever. Like I don't know. These are things I think about because like they definitely like replace people. Like Gucci Mane, like I said, there's like a million other examples like that. Like John Lennon is Steve Jobs and Adolf Hitler is Walt Disney, and fucking like their wives look the same. They like their wife looks exactly the same as each other. There's a bunch of other examples, but like Amanda Bynes. Like I think Amanda Bynes, like she was like tweeting about shit. Like I think she was like targeted because she was like whistleblowing against Dan Schneider or whoever, the producers of the Amanda show or whatever. She's like tweeting about it, like whistleblowing, and then she's like targeted. But then like the new Amanda Bynes, she like gained a lot of weight. She has blonde hair now. Like, is that the real Amanda Bynes or is it not? Because like it looks like a different person almost. Like it might be a completely different person, and they'll put like prosthetics on to like look like the person and shit. But she doesn't really look like Amanda Bynes to me though. And then like last year, all these celebrities were coming out like that don't look like the celebrity at all. Like Oprah at like some award show or whatever, like she doesn't look like Oprah. And then like I think like Jennifer Aniston or something, like she doesn't look like Jennifer Aniston anymore. Like it looks like a different person. Like they replaced her with a different person that doesn't even really look like the same person. And they're like gaslighting us to our face, like saying this is Jennifer Aniston, but it's not though. I don't remember if it was Jennifer Aniston. It was one of those. Like there's no way that's her. Like it doesn't look like Oprah. Like her face looks completely different and shit. Like it doesn't look like Oprah. Like not just that she's older or whatever, but like it just doesn't look like Oprah. There was like a bunch of other celebrities last year like that. It was like it was crazy. I mean like I don't know. Like there's a bunch of examples of shit like that. So like I don't know what to believe anymore. And like I like Daylight, but like he's signed to TDE, and like Kendrick Lamar and King Los have the same initials and their names match in gematria and they look and sound the same. And then Daylight was battling King Los like right around this time that he signed to TDE. But like so like I don't like, and then the new Daylight kind of looks different from the old Daylight, but again like I don't know if it's because he's older or like he just looks different with age, and like, you know, I don't know. But like I wonder if like they replace Daylight with the new Daylight and he's like signed to TDE and he's like in the industry now. Like I don't know. Cause like Daylight talks about a lot of real shit, like adrenochrome and shit, like in his music, and like he's like one of the realest like MCs out there, like the lyrical content of like what he's talking about. So like I don't know. And then with AI now, like, and who knows how long this AI technology has been around, they're just releasing it to the public now. But like, you know, who knows how much of like the music is AI and like things in the media is AI or whatever. And like deep fakes and whatever. So these are things to think about. I don't know what to believe anymore. And then everyone out here around me is fake and crisis actors. So like I don't know what to believe anymore, man.